Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 39 points after spending a good part of the day in the red. Stocks that moved the markets on Monday. Facebook had a big day, increasing by over 4%. Berkshire Hathaway also had a nice day after beating Q2 revenue estimates by $261 million and reporting EPS of $7,301. Marriott beat EPS estimates by 35 cents, but missed revenue estimates by $490 million. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 126 points. The big news of the day was Elon Musk's tweet about taking Tesla private at $420 per share. The stock shot up and temporarily halted trading. Disney reported earnings missing EPS estimates by 8 cents and revenue estimates by $110 million. Snap lost 14 cents per share versus the expected loss of 17 cents per share. Snap also beat revenue estimates by $11 million. It might be time to buy Snap. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 45 points due to renewed trade tensions. China added another $16 billion worth of tariffs to U.S. goods. In earnings news, Roku, Yelp, and Michael Kors were a few companies to report earnings. Roku beat EPS estimates by 15 cents and revenue estimates by $15 million. Yelp beat EPS estimates by 11 cents and revenue by $2.72 million. And Michael Kors beat EPS estimates by 37 cents and revenue estimates by $60 million. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 74 points. News that moved the markets on Thursday: Amazon plans a healthcare clinic for employees at its Seattle headquarters. Tesla's board plans to meet to discuss taking the company private. And DropBox announced that its COO, Dennis Woodside, would resign, and it also announced its earnings. DropBox beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $8.3 million. Universal Display reported its earnings, beating EPS estimates by 8 cents and revenue estimates by $6.5 million. On Friday, the Dow was down big, 191 points, due to the heightened economic crisis in Turkey. The White House compounded the issue by doubling tariffs on steel and aluminum imported from Turkey. Overall, the markets were down on Friday, and the Dow and S&P closed down from last week. The Nasdaq closed up slightly from last week. In crypto news, Bitcoin continues to retreat to that $6,000 level of support. If it breaks below that, it could be big for people betting against the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was trading at $63.98 at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at $355.13. Litecoin was trading at $61.68, and Ripple was trading at 33 cents. Crude oil suffered another losing week, settling at $67.70 per barrel. A big winner for the week was Trade Desk, which increased by over 40% this week. A big loser for the week, Bank of France, which decreased by over 19% this week. Our quarterly newsletter, The Civil Report, is available at civilreport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Thanks again for watching The Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to people who want to start investing but aren't sure how. If you have a question or concern, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.